Car people, welcome to 86 Space. Today we're going to talk about a controversial topic. Alcantara, this, which ain't connected to anything. And why car manufacturers keep thinking it's a good idea to put it all over steering wheels. Let's get into that. So Alcantara, look at this. Look how smooth. You want to ever caress your leather?
You ever rub your leather? You know, like just rub it, see how good it feels?
Alcantara is a fabric. It's meant to be able to be gripped, but for race car drivers, not daily drivers. Car manufacturers, I don't know if you heard what I just said. Not daily drivers, okay? So, this is meant to be worn. You're supposed to have gloves. It's supposed to be grip, right? For one race session. Let's see what happens when we introduce a little heat. Let's put that down real quick and we're gonna introduce some heat. Feel that? I feel it. And we're gonna see what some intense driving does. You ready? Intense driving! Now, what did it, look at this. There's where it started. Look at it now. Look at it now. Little bit of heat. Something that's gonna show daily driving, and it just destroyed this in 15 seconds. How do you think that's a good idea? What about life's little unexpected moments? You hit a bump, and oh no, your sunshine just goes everywhere. Oh, God. Would you just look at that's horrible. Tragic even. Gotta get most of the coffee out, because you know, when you clean your steering wheels, you take them out of the car. Now if you look in here, get in there real nice and deep like, look at all that, all the hairs, they're gone. All that coffee, that caffeine love, the Colombian headbanger, you know what I'm talking about. We have to clean this now. We took it out of the car because it has to be clean, so, well, does a cloth do it? No, maybe some last touch spray detailer from Meguiar's, maybe. Not sponsored, wish I was. Oh God. Does that do it? Does that? Oh, no. Smells phenomenal. But no, that doesn't seem to do it either. Maybe the other side. We'll try some 70% isopropyl alcohol. Let's see. Does that? No, that doesn't do it at all. So my question for you is, as the consumer and car manufacturer, do you still think this is a good idea to have in your car? Do you think this is what you want to handle on a daily basis with your grubby, oily McDonald's hands? And don't sit there and tell me you don't eat in your car. You're lying. Yes, you do. And do you wipe your hands off before you grab your steering wheel? No, you don't. But let's find something that's more durable. If only there was a material out there that was better than Alcantara for daily drivers. And ladies and gentlemen, here we have it. What's supposed to be in your car, and a little fancier. So here, look at that. That's leather, perforated leather. That's nice. That's cleanable. That's long lasting. It's durable. It'll outlast the life of this car. I can clean it with water. If I want to get fancy, I can use detailer. But even more so, look at this. Look at that carbon fibre. How nice is that? Guess what? I'm not worried about being disgusting on my drive to work every single day after the first time I drive the car. This. So folks, at the end of the day, the point of your steering wheel, not only is it a safety thing, but you want something that's durable, something that's long lasting. What you want is leather. If you want to get crazy, it's a carbon fiber. Car manufacturers, stop putting Alcantara on absolutely everything. It's disgusting. You want to put it on the A pillar, B pillar, C pillar, roof, I don't care. Don't put it on this. These are disgusting, they're only gonna get disgusting. If this video was informative for you today, do me a favor, leave a comment. I don't even care if it's a negative comment. You love your Alcantara steering wheel, tell the world. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Stay savage.